Everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Guilty Gear Strive not launching or crashing on PC. Make sure to follow all the steps carefully, and let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Guilty Gear Strive. Right-click it and select Properties. Now click on Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair your game files. Once it's done, try launching the game again. Solution 2. Now right-click Guilty Gear Strive again and select Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click on Browse. Find the game executable file. It should be ggst.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check both options. Run this program as an administrator. Disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game. Solution 3. Next, open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to install any available updates. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App, then open it. Go to the Drivers tab and click Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, install it and restart your PC. Solution 5. Now open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and look for vc_redist.x64 and vc_redist.x86. Download both files. Once downloaded, open your Downloads folder. First, double-click vc_redist.x64. Accept the terms, click Yes, and install it. Click Close when finished. Don't restart yet. Now do the same for vc_redist.x86. Click Yes, accept the terms, and install it. After both installations are complete, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Guilty Gear Strive again. Your game should now launch properly without crashing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.